Alright guys, so I got it, the OnePlus 6, and I'm going to be doing the unboxing after this. So here it is, the OnePlus 6. It's the 8th phone released from OnePlus. I'm just going to open this box. I'm super lucky to be living near one of the shipment centers, which is the California Shipment Center. Just taking it out of the package. And then here's the actual box. There's usually no tape on this box, you just have to pull it up. And then here you have it. It's the same one as the OnePlus 5T. You have your safety foams. Okay, and then underneath it we have the actual device. There you go. So the OnePlus 6. OnePlus 6 right here, and then just the important information which I'll hide. So let's get into it. Alright guys, so we're back with the OnePlus 6. So in the front you have your 6 logo. On the left of that you have your OnePlus 6, the red branding, and then over here you have the speed you need. And I'm really curious to see how fast this phone actually is, because it has 8 gigs of RAM, which is pretty insane to have on any phone. And it's a niche market that they're trying to hit with that 8 gigabytes of RAM. Majority of the people who are going to purchase this phone are probably not going to use that 8 gigabytes of RAM on a regular basis. But it is really good to have, because with that much memory you're able to have lots of apps on your phone running at the same time without being too laggy. Okay, so you have the 6, and then I'm just gonna, oh yeah, okay. That, here you have it, the actual device. I'll get into this in one quick second. I'm just gonna see what else is in here. Okay, so underneath it you have the 6 logo, the actual design, unfortunately. Okay, and then underneath that you get your dash charger and the USB cable. So it's a USB A to USB C cable, and now with this cable it supports dash charging. And I don't know if you have a MacBook Pro or not, you can actually use your MacBook Pro 2017 chargers to charge this phone up. Alright, so that's pretty much what you get with your OnePlus 6, is the charger as well as the charging cable. You don't have the option for the headphones, the OnePlus Bullets, and I get it from their standpoint because they want to cut down on costs. And I'm totally cool with it because I don't really use the headphones which I get with the cell phones. I usually have my iPod headphones or my Monster. Alright, so shout out to OnePlus. Really love this right here, and I will sacrifice the headphones any given day for this right here, which is the case that you get. Oh yeah, the case that you get for the OnePlus 6. So you don't really have to purchase another case, and that's one thing that I love about OnePlus as a company, that they give a free case with the OnePlus 6. Oh, sorry about that. At the end of the day, it's not a top of the line UAG case or OtterBox. It'll help you with the dings and scratches. I think it's a polyurethane case that they have. Inside you get inside it's like a little bit of a textured material, and then outside it's rubbery, and it's quite grippy that it's not gonna fall off from your hands. Okay, I'm gonna put this aside. Then you have your pin ejector, your OnePlus 6 instructions manual, and this is something that's new that they're doing. Really cool. Stickers that you can put on your other phones, your phone itself, or like a lot of people I've seen with their Apple logos on their cars. Please don't do that. And then the safety information guide. That's it. And then here is the actual device that you've been waiting for. Has a little bit of notch. I don't really care because I have the iPhone X, not a big deal for me. the 2 cameras, the fingerprint reader, and yes, it has a headphone jack and the grills for the speakers. It's a really big phone compared to the iPhone X as well as the Samsung Galaxy 8. It's a 6.29 inch screen. So, alright guys, so we're back, and here we have an 8GB version of the Midnight Black, and I guarantee you right away, I've just touched it once and bang, there you go. This is going to be a fingerprint magnet. I don't care, this thing looks beautiful. Okay, and then so the first thing I'm going to do, I don't want to get any scratches on this because I just got it. Putting it in the case, super simple to do. And another great feature that I love that OnePlus provides, and majority of cell phone producers provide, is the fact that this thing currently has a plastic covering. You can take it off or you can leave it on. I'm just going to leave it on because I don't want to get any scratches on the screen. So here we go, putting it in. I usually put my phone's left side in first. Okay, and then you'll probably have to take the back part off. You don't really have to if you don't want to. I just recommend cutting this part off. Okay, here we go. Okay. And then all I'm going to do now is going to turn it on and go through the process. So all the versions that are available online are 8GB, and here we go. So it's not 3 seconds, or like more like 4 or 5 seconds. Got the stickers right here. I'm gonna leave this here. I'm gonna drop my camera down just a little bit while this thing gets ready. So right now it's just loading up. Hi there, English USA. You can change that up. I'll leave it as English. So we're gonna start our install, and I'm hoping this is gonna be a really fast install because this is 8GB of RAM. First impressions right away. I love the fact that the fingerprint reader's at the back, dual cameras. I like what they did with the landscape. So with the iPhone X, if you go landscape, you get the notch, but they've kind of taken that off. Okay, and then here you have it. Here is the notch, a little bit, not too much. Let me just get my iPhone X so you can take a look at the difference. Okay, so in terms of the notch on the iPhone X, it's pretty big in comparison to the OnePlus 6. But that being said, this is also a close to 6-month-old technology. This is quite new, and I like the way the phone manufacturers are going with this. I know a lot of people will disagree. Let me know what you think about the notch in the comment section down below. Okay, so we're going to press start, and I'll just take my iPhone X out of the way. Alright, so the font, you can choose the font if you want to. I'm going to leave it as the recommended OnePlus Slate. Okay, success, continue, next. Agree to the terms and condition. I agree. You can read through this if you want to. This one is totally up to you. I usually say no thanks because I don't want to send my information over. System stability program, no thanks. Push notifications. I'm going to select yes for this one. Okay, connect to a mobile network. Since I don't have my SIM inserted, I'm going to skip this, and I'm actually going to set up over for Wi-Fi, and I'm going to set this up as a new device because I don't want any information on there from my previous device. Hang on, I'm just going to navigate and I'll be back. Alright guys, we're back. So I've just put my password in. I'm going to press connect, connecting, connected. Okay, checking for updates. Obviously it's going to update because there's probably new updates ever since it's been released. Sign into my Google account. Give me 1 sec. Okay. So since I have the 2-factor authentication, I need to sign in with my iPhone X first. So I've just enabled that. Okay. Use this device to sign in. Not really, because my iPhone X is going to be my main device. I agree. Overall, this is really good. Try Face Unlock. It's a quick way to unlock, and all you need to do is just wake up your phone. So I'll add my face. We'll do a pattern. We'll do a check. Okay, continue. And I think OnePlus has, and I like the vibration mode on this. Hang on. I wonder if that picks it up. Okay. So we'll do the check mark again. Continue. Alright, so allow Face Unlock to take pictures and record videos. Yes, you'll need to enable that. Add the face data. Continue. So it says hold your phone 20 to 30 centimeters from your face. Align your face into the circle. Face is probably not detected. So here we go. I'm gonna do my face unlock in 1 quick second. And I'm gonna see if I can actually put my hat on and see if it's able to detect it. So here I have my hat, and I'm gonna see if the OnePlus 6 is able to add my face with my hat on. Try again. Okay, next. So it did get the face with the hat on. And then there's different options on this. So you can do, with the Google services, you can back everything up, location data, so on and so forth. I'm just gonna do cancel, cancel, cancel. Okay, continue, I agree. With an Android device, you get the Google Assistants. Next. Permission to help you out, yes. Okay, anything else, and then no thanks. And then adding the finishing touches to it. And then here we go. So allow the OnePlus launcher to access your photos. Allow. And here we go. Here is the device. Really nice device. Really good phone. Alright guys, so here's a quick comparison between the iPhone X as well as the OnePlus 6. I'm going to be doing a lot of comparison videos for this phone. So make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel so you don't miss out on any future content, and I'll be doing a head-to-head differences between the iPhone X plus the OnePlus 6, as well as you can tell the difference in not only the sheer size but also the notch size. Alright guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video of the OnePlus 6. If you did, hit that like button and subscribe to the YouTube channel. I'll be doing a lot more videos of this phone in the next few days. I have a comparison video of the iPhone X coming up soon, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on any future content. Here you have it, the OnePlus 6. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Goodbye.